Before creating a new 3D design, I wanted to test a few ideas first. I've always liked the look of opening doors and vintage architecture, and I also wanted to make something useful for people who enjoy photography. I thought, what if this could be more than just a frame, something that could also work like a card, or even a small memory holder. In the end, I wanted it to feel like a decorative object that fits naturally into a home interior. After exploring the idea and gathering some reference, I created a 3D model of a photo frame shaped like a small opening door. The model is made from several parts. It's designed to be easy to print and simple to assemble. Since this is a 3D printed object, I added a small 0.3 mm tolerance between parts to make assembly easy and allow space for glue. Here's a short animation showing how all the parts come together. The front door opens, and inside you can place an A6 photo. On the door itself you can insert a small message card, a note, a letter, or even another image. From a design perspective, the model included a base, a stone-style arch, small support legs, and decorative elements like a flower and door details. After that, I prepared everything for printing, arranged the parts in a slicer, and checked supports and print settings. Once all the parts were printed, I cleaned them, removed supports and lightly sanded where needed. Before gluing, I tested how everything fits together, and once I was sure everything aligned properly, I assembled the final model. After the glue dried and some final sanding, the frame is ready. It has a warm, cozy look, almost like real wood. This is the result, a photo frame with an opening door. I printed it using a single wood PLA filament, but you can also print each part in different colors or paint the model after printing. Now for the final test, fitting an A6 photo inside. It slides in easily and holds securely. I used simple watercolor paper here, but with a proper printed photo it looks even better. The front cut slot works as well, everything fits and functions and intended. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to create your own frame based on my design, you can get the digital files in my store. The link is in the first pinned comment. Leave a comment your thoughts on my design, I'd love to see them.